Ever looked at your bank account, seen a little extra cash, and thought, I should really be investing this? And then, you remembered Acorns. But how do you actually get that money to Acorns? It's a great question, and you're not alone. Let's dive in. First off, what is Acorns? For those who are new to the investment game, Acorns is an app that helps you invest spare change. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Pretty cool, right? But how do you get your initial investment in? Method 1. Linking your bank account. The most straightforward way to fund your Acorns account is by linking your bank account. It's like setting up automatic transfers, but for investing. Choose your bank. Acorns works with most major banks. Link your account. You'll usually need your account number and routing number. Set up transfers. Decide how much you want to invest and how often. You can choose to invest a specific amount each week, or you can opt for the found money approach where Acorns invests your spare change. Method 2. Using Acorns personal checking. Acorns offers its own checking account. If you prefer to manage your money all in one place, this might be a good option. Open Acorns Checking. This is a regular checking account with additional features like cashback rewards. Fund your account. You can transfer money from other banks or deposit cash at participating retailers. Invest automatically. Acorns will automatically transfer a portion of your checking balance to your investment account. Method 3. External transfers. If you prefer to manually manage your investments, you can transfer money directly from your bank to Acorns. Log into Acorns, access your account settings. Initiate transfer, look for the option to transfer funds. Enter details. You'll need your bank account information to complete the transfer. Important considerations. Transfer times. Bank transfers can take a few business days to process. Transfer fees. Some banks might charge fees for external transfers. Investment goals. Determine how much you want to invest and how often. Diversification. Remember, investing involves risk. Diversify your portfolio for better returns. So, there you have it. 3 ways to get your money into Acorns. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, finding the right method for you is key. Now, let's talk about maximizing your investments. You can increase your returns by: insert additional content on investment strategies, tax implications, or Acorns features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.